Aloha patrons, Tracie here. How's it? It's me and Roke. Did you do your ha'awina, your homework? Mai ka'iloa, very good. What did we learn the last lesson? We learned the Koneka, the consonants, right? Let's practice. E ho'oma'ama'a kako. He, ke, la, mu, nu, pi, ve. What was the other way to say ve? We. Mai ka'iloa, very good. Now, we're going to practice everything that we've learned, the Woela, the vowels, and the ehiku Koneka, the 7 consonants, by spelling some words. What words do we know? Let's practice. How about aloha? Aloha has many meanings. Aloha means hello, goodbye. It also means love, and that love comes from inside. So, let's practice that. How do you spell aloha? A, la, o, he, a. Mai ka'i. Did you get that on your own? Practice it over and over. What other word do we know in Hawaiian? Well, another word that's good to use is thank you or mahalo. Now, you see mahalo on trash cans all over the place in Hawaii, but mahalo does not mean trash can. It means thank you. So let's practice spelling that. Mu, a, he, a, la, o. Mahalo. Mai ka'i. I want you to practice that over and over. What you can do is get a dictionary. The best dictionary that I use, as well as many other people that are learning Hawaiian as well as speak Hawaiian use, is the thick one by Mary Kavena Puku'i. No, they're not sponsoring me, but that is the best dictionary ever. It has Hawaiian and English, English and Hawaiian. So I suggest you get that, and next time you come back and we see each other, you have that with you. Okay? Take care. Malama pono. Ahui ho. Bye-bye.